just sit there, fancy pants. Grab the wheel.
Are you kidding? I don't drive, I'm a New Yorker!
Move over, Miss Daisy!
What are you doing?
Hi, officer. Is there a problem?
Hi.
Oh, watch out! We need more power. Time to fire up Kowalski's nuclear reactor.
That's a nuclear reactor?
Nuclear.
She's on the roof!
But, sir, it's not ready. The control rods will have to be calibrated, and don't even ask me about the uranium-238 blanket.
Okay.
Okay, Marty, you lost her! Maybe you can slow down now!
I can't! There's no brakes!
No brakes. No way to commit, soldier.
Let's get out of here!
Hey, where's everybody going? I'm flying! I'm flying! I'm the first flying monkey!
Oh, yay!
That's all! Take it out of here!
Yeah, baby!
Capitan Chantal Dubois, get up. I'm going to have to send you back to Monaco under maximum security. It's just a pillow.
That's the oldest trick in the book, Commandante. Every bambino in Italy knows that one.
Maybe, but do they know about the old escape hole behind the innocent-looking poster? Or the really old, I'm gonna hide up on the ceiling a trick. Of course, the secret of the tunnel under the bed. Get this thing out of the way. Let's go. This secret tunnel is a dead end.
There's nothing but bed springs and a mattress of stuffings down here.
Was that the sound of a cell door closing?
Voila!
Was that the sound of my HP printer printing?